You said never let me go. You said never let me go.
Oh, have a fun. Please tell me. So here is the hotel we stay last night in Hamilton. Jet Park Hotel in Hamilton. Very nice hotel. Peace and comfy. The good thing is that it's next to Hamilton Airport, where you can see some of the international flights are also going. Yeah, pretty much nice place. Morning, Juliana. What are you doing? Juliana show her own creativity on this one.
Well, let me draw a moon.
Yeah, moon? You can draw a moon. Wow, this is another beautiful morning for Juliana. Wow, Juliana, I like your creativity. Very beautiful. Today is the day 2. We are in Hamilton, so we stay in the hotel last night, and now we are going to get some stuff from the supermarket. And where you are going today, Juliana?
Going
To Hobbiton House. So if the time is around, I can show you around 10 o'clock. So we have to go around 12 o'clock is our check-in time to see the Hobbiton House. Let's go, guys. We are getting late otherwise, you know. Bye-bye.
There's no time to be scared.
Okay, so we are in Hobbiton House. So now we are going to get our ticket and wait for our turn to go inside. Let's go. Juliana and Mommy already go inside, I guess. Let's go to see how the Hobbiton House looks like. This is the beautiful view for Hobbiton House entry place. Juliana and Mommy getting ready. So we got the tickets for Hobbiton House. So let's see how far we can go. Many fans here, you can see. They're really cool. I wave to Juliana. They're very nice to Juliana. This is the bus we're gonna go for the tour.
Now, my friends, there's going to be people coming out through this way in just a second.
Yeah, so Juliana, wait.
My friends.
So
See your car.
we're gonna go to this bus. Juliana, are you excited now? Tell me. Wait. Are you excited? Tell me. Look at me, look at me. Are you excited to go? Let's go. Juliana is very naughty, so we are going to this bus soon, guys. I can show you from our back. Hopefully. Hold on. Wait, it's okay. Let her go. It's okay.
There we go.
Thank you.
Alright, go ahead,
Okay.
jump on board, eh?
Thank you. Let's go inside the. Sit in the front. Whoa!
I'll sit here.
Yeah, come. You can sit here. Sit here. Okay, we are on board in the bus. Juliana, tell me. Juliana. No, sit for it. No, you can't. It's a driver's seat, yeah. Juliana, are you excited? Yeah. You can go. So this is the bus we will be boarding, guys. You can see everybody standing outside. So we are the first person boarding. Juliana? No. That trip is started.
All right, everybody. Good afternoon. Like literally just now. Good afternoon. How are you guys today?
Good.
Okay, that was terrible. You know that, right? How is everybody today?
Good. Great.
Okay, that's a little bit better. That's a little bit better, but I expect more from you guys. Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Way to go. All right, everybody. So welcome everyone to Hobbiton Movie Set Tours. My name is Danilo. The fluffy white things up in the sky with golden clouds, so if you had a little bit of a confusion thing. So, everything started back in 1998 when a location scout asked by Peter Jackson to take a look. He was asked by Peter Jackson to take a look and look for suitable place to build Hobbiton. He was done because this little strip of land was known as the Animal Kingdom. All of the animals that made it to the movie were housed in here, but I'll tell you right now, despite of having up to 13,000 sheep on the farm, not a single one of them appear in the movies. They were deemed too modern looking, whatever that might mean. Now over to the left hand side, the flat paddock that you guys get.
Well, yeah! The doors are open for Hobbiton!
Now, if she happens, do you see all the sheep around? If you catch one, Daddy will give you $20.
Catch a sheep.
So if I get a little bit stuck with names or dates or something, okay? Don't worry. What's the other thing? Yeah, ask if I can take a tour. Absolutely. I'll be very happy.
Look! Look! That's nice, guys. So this is the beauty for Hobbiton House. We can take a picture. Go this way, guys. You have to follow them, everybody. Yeah. Go the right. Yeah, keep going. Don't go to. Oh. That's the tree, yeah. So that's another Hobbiton house you can see. As we are going up, there are more houses. You know?
Smile. Smile.
Don't touch, do not touch it, please. Do not touch it, please.
It's not real. The frame was built out of a big steel frame. Then it was covered in span.
And I'm having a lot of fun here. Selling some fruit and vegetables. Sorry, how much for the honey? You are selling honey? What you selling here? A whole beauty looks like for Hobbiton House. You can see at my back. It's very beautiful, this Hobbiton House. Let's go up and see how the thing's gonna be. Juliana is at my back, I guess. Juliana, what you doing?
Hey, Ileana, how about we take a family photo?
Come.
Okay, hang on. Okay.
This one very nice. Look. Juliana, you want to go send pictures? Yeah. They have cheese. Look. Think here, you know. You really have a shop here. You can see in Hobbiton House, you really open a new shop. So we have one customer now for the cheese. It's really nice, you know. The basket repair. Oh, let's go to see.
Bring it through.
Ooh, that's so cool to go in the Hobbiton house. Wow, that's a cool experience. We never been to Hobbiton house. Wow, that's so awesome. That's the real Hobbiton house looks like. Wow. Oh. Juliana having fun in the Hobbiton house. It's very beautiful house actually.
You sleep by yourself?
Sleep by yourself? Wow. Wow, there's so many cute things here. See, look. Wow, that's so beautiful, Juliana. So you can see Hobbiton house. Such a beautiful and tidy place. Very nice. Wow, Juliana, do you like this place? See, I told you. You're gonna. Yeah, it's a baby cod. Yeah. It's more interesting place. Wow. No. It's for bathtub in the old days, you know. They're so nice. And don't touch anything, please. Come on, let's go. We're going now. This is the hot water for shower. Juliana, let's go. Come on. It's very beautiful actually, you know. That's really nice. The new Hobbiton house. Mommy, you need some tea. Mommy, you need some tea. Gentle. Yeah, gentle. Let's see what's next in Hobbiton house. Oh, that's so beautiful. And 1, 2, 3, 4, we are out of the game. Oh, that's nice. whole beautiful things looks like. Juliana, you like this place? Let's go with the friends. Nice. That's the whole thing looks like. Let's have ginger beer. Mama, let's get a ginger beer now. Let's go. Let's go to have a ginger beer inside. It's a nice place. Yeah. Go get a ginger beer. Come on. At the end of this tour, so that's really nice. So now we are going to head to the bus, have a fun. So that's the end tour with this cup for Hobbiton House. So that's really nice. So we are moving head to the bus, me, Juliana and Mommy. We had a lot of fun. Sit in the front seat, guys. Mommy, you can sit with her now.
With yourselves, and I just wanted to thank you again for coming along and experiencing Hobbiton. Very, very proud of that. There's a little special magical place, I'm sure you'll agree, down here at the bottom of the world. So please sit back and enjoy your ride, and we'll have a look at a few Hobbit clips, shall we?
How was the trip? Yeah. How was the trip in Hobbiton House? Good. Do you like it? So the next plan is we have to drive from here to reach to the next motel, maybe in 2 to 3 hour drive. And yeah, guys, we're gonna be.
Go to a different hotel.
No, we're gonna stay in hotel tonight, and tomorrow gonna be another location.
No,
So
tomorrow
we're gonna see the snow. All right?
today, and the night time we're going to a different hotel.
Yeah, we're gonna stay in a different hotel, and tomorrow we're gonna see snow. Yeah. Bye. See you soon.